Hello friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to Abby's Tech channel. In this video we have a look of Holochain. What's the price prediction of Holochain? What's the price change and what's the high price of Holochain in the previous last 1 hour, in the previous last 2 hour? What's going on the Holo in the cryptocurrencies markets? What's the status of Holo in the cryptocurrencies markets? I will show you in this video. So before starting this brand video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel, because Abby's Tech channel update you every hour from every cryptocurrency's latest news and updates. Now friends, let's start this brand video and let's see the price prediction. Let's see the price change of Holochain in the previous last 1 hour. As you can see here on the screen, that is a live price prediction of the Holochain in the previous last 1 hour. So friends, if we look at every change of the Holochain in the previous last 1 hour, the average change is about negative 0.57% change occur in a Holochain in the last 1 hour. Absolutely bad change, absolutely bad funds of Holochain in the last 1 hour. And the high price of the Holochain is about $0.029317 is the high price of Holochain in the last 1 hour. Now friends, if we look the chart analysis of the Holochain, so it tells us that it's continuously falls down. As you can see here, falls down from very high status. As you can see here, at this time they are on the top, and after a passage of time, interval of time, and they fall down, and after some time, after some falls, they again jumping upward. And if you see the current situation, the currently, as you can see here, the current situation are straight falls of the Holochain are start. As you can see here, falling of the Holochain are start in the last 1 hour. That is the last 1 hour price prediction. Now let's see the last 2 hour price prediction. The last 2 hour price change occur in the Holochain. As you can see here, absolutely bad shit occur in the Holochain. As you can see here, the last 2 hour result is also in negative 3.5% change occur in the Holochain in the previous last 2 hour. And the high price of Holochain is about $0.30206 is the high price of Holochain. Absolutely bad change of the Holochains, absolutely bad change, bad time of the Holochain are start. So friends, if we look, it's the average level, it's the start of the last previous 2 hour, they are in the top. And with the passage of time, with the interval of time, the previous 2 hour they are continuously travel at falls. As you can see here, their massive dump is starts in the previous last 2 hour. Their big dump starts in the previous 2 hour. So maybe they goes upward in the future, but the previous 2 hours are very bad of the Holochain. The status of Holochain falls down in the cryptocurrencies market. So friends, my suggestion for all of you, that hold your Holochain. With the end of this month, so maybe they goes upward in the future, but now currently they are falling down. So maybe they goes upward in the future. Wait for it and don't sell your Holochain. Hold it with the end of this month. That's my suggestion. And what's your opinion about Holochain? Please share in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe IBS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and update, because IBS Tech channel update you every hour from every cryptocurrencies latest news and updates.